So you've made the decision to improve or grow your business with custom software. Fantastic. Investing in the right software solution is key to achieving your business goals. But before you kick off the project, you should be aware of some common ways things can go off the rails and how to minimize the risk and improve those project outcomes. Here's what we've learned at Whitecap over the years. Poor planning is the number one reason software development projects fail. Take the time to define your objectives, the purpose of the software, and its desired functionality. How will it integrate with your existing tech stack? All important questions. It's critical to go through a requirements analysis and design exercise to define your integration, your use cases, your actors, your wireframing, UX, UI design, look, feel. How's this going to be architectured? Security, is it built in from the ground up? And where am I going to host this? All important factors. Poor planning can also lead to cost overruns. Let's face it, you can avoid this by defining a minimal viable product, which includes your must-haves of your new software. Any additional nice-to-have functionality can be added at later phases. This helps you spread out the cost of the software. Long-term maintenance should also be a part of your plan. You can't just build this and forget it. You need to plan for ongoing support, bug fixes. Inevitably, there'll be some enhancements, security patches. Otherwise, if you don't, you're going to run into big problems. Open communication is super important to make sure all stakeholders are on the same page. This will help you avoid misunderstandings, inefficiencies, and disappointments. Look for a vendor that has got a collaborative approach, an iterative approach to software development with regular check-ins, status updates, show and tells, and meetings. It's vital to keep communication channels open so that everyone is aware of the impact of any changes to functionality, to schedule, budgets, and of course, cost. Poor communication and the resulting confusion around a project can lead to a negative outcome, like a loss of momentum, delays, cost overruns, and ultimately not getting the software solution that you were hoping for. New software projects are exciting. We often see the goals, improving functionality and user experience, which is great. However, you also need to know which of the key performance indicators or KPIs you're trying to move the needle on. What are you measuring that will help you define success? Setting and tracking success metrics is essential for ensuring that both the organization and the user goals of your custom software are being met. These metrics provide opportunities to identify potential improvements and ways to optimize your investment by increasing user adoption and conversions. These are just some of the common pitfalls we've seen in custom software projects. There are many more. I could go on for a while. And this is how we at Whitecap are trying to mitigate these associated risks. At the end of the day, choosing a good partner who has a reputable track record, deep experience, and a proven process is really the best way to avoid problems. So make sure you do your homework. I'd be happy to share more about how we do things at Whitecap, so drop me a comment below or get in touch. We'd love to see how we can make your next software a huge success.